everyone, welcome. Today's video is part 2 of my Halloween decorating series. I'm going to try to get through this series quickly, bringing you videos every 2 to 3 days, and there'll be the odd little other video that is not Halloween related. But for the most part, in the next 2 to 3 weeks, you're going to see a whole lot of Halloween, a whole lot of MacKenzie-Childs Inspired Halloween, some great colors and patterns all mixed together, and I'm so excited to bring that to you. So I'm here in this corner of my living room. You've seen this corner before. I'm going to be decorating this cabinet and this little table, and then maybe I'm going to do something sort of with this little area that I'm standing in, because I always look at it and think that it looks empty. To a minimalist, they would be rolling their eyes right now. But for me, something is sort of always lacking in this area. So I sort of have an idea, and we'll see how that goes. So I hope you will come along, not only for this video, but for all the videos that I have in store for you during this Halloween decorating series. This video is part of a collaboration called This Is My Thing. Myself, along with the wonderful YouTubers you see here, will be doing videos on this playlist doing our thing, whether that be DIYing, decorating, cooking, gardening, whatever. A big thank you to Maria at Yetra Creations for asking me to join. I hope you'll watch the playlist to see what everyone else has come up with. Alrighty, welcome back. And here we are, my little side table here. I'm starting off the display on this table with this great box, and it's black, white, and gold. And that will be the main colors of this display, but I will also be adding orange. And I absolutely love this. And take note of the black and white stripes. I will be bringing in black and white stripes throughout the living room, and you will see that through this series. So placed atop this larger box is this smaller one, black, white, and gold in this fantastic Harlequin diamond pattern. I will definitely be using this pattern all throughout my Halloween decorating. I'm so excited about this. I love this pattern. And then on top of that, a black and white striped box. And because the lid of this box is a Christmas lid and not appropriate for Halloween, I've just simply placed it upside down. And hopefully what I plan to put on top of this will cover this label here. This is the latest pumpkin that I have recently purchased at HomeSense. And for those in the United States that don't live near HomeSense, the equivalent would be Home Goods. And I saw this in the window before I went into the store, and I practically ran to it and grabbed it. I thought it was absolutely gorgeous, absolutely my taste, and I love it. And let's see if I can get the price for you here. That is only $16.99. It's a beautiful glass pumpkin, nice and heavy, and really perfect for our look here. So I decided to move this striped box over to the right a bit so that I could place this really cute black and white chevron pumpkin to the left of that. And then just down here, I have this black and white votive holder with an orange sparkly pumpkin. So here is the piece I had in mind to put up here. It seems to cover that label that was underneath the box, and which is now on top of the box because we have the box flipped over. But this piece is so cute. It is part of a 3-piece tea light set, and it is from Party Light. I purchased this last year on sale. I did see it the year before, and it was a little expensive for my liking, so my party light consultant always kept an eye on it for me, and she contacted me when it went on sale last year, and I purchased it immediately. And then here, just some orange stones. And this is our little display here for Halloween. And I'm not sure, but I might add something to this little spot here, the corner, just to fill it in. But please watch to the end to see if I actually decide to do that. So we've moved over here to the cabinet, and you can see what I have here in place is this black and gold Harlequin patterned runner. It's a bit long for the cabinet, but nonetheless, I think it will look really cute with our decor. And normally I use this for Mardi Gras, but definitely it's appropriate for Halloween as well. On top of the Harlequin patterned runner, I have this great Harlequin patterned pillar holder in black and gold. So absolutely beautiful and perfect for our look here. I dressed up this pumpkin that I used in my fall decor. I did haul this pumpkin this year. You would have seen it in my haul video. And what I did was I added this great mask that has gold spider webbing on it with a black background. Absolutely perfect for Halloween. I also use it for Mardi Gras. I find because of the way I decorate for Halloween, a lot of Mardi Gras decor seems to go well with my decorating. So I find that the two can be quite interchangeable, and you'll see a lot of pieces that I use both for Halloween and Mardi Gras. So this is a little something I just threw together. I took this great orange sparkly pumpkin with black sparkle there, placed it atop this cylinder box that I DIY'd. I cut out some diamond shapes out of some white address labels and just stuck those on. All those atop this gold fancy little candle holder. And I think that's shaping up quite nicely so far. Now, what I also have is this fantastic snow globe that I purchased at HomeSense last year. I think I really should be an ambassador for HomeSense. My goodness, I shop there so much. But you can see it is so me. That pumpkin in the back there with the gold and black diamond pattern, black and gold polka dots, and it is just absolutely so me. And because it's a snow globe, of course, I'm going to have to shake it for you and show you how great it looks. At each end of the cabinet, I have these cute little Harlequin patterned sleeves over my white pillar candles with just a couple of sparkly orange pumpkins to brighten it up a bit. Same thing going on over here. And although I think this looks fabulous, I just feel like the middle is really a bit dark. So one of my tried and true little tricks that I do is adding a white scarf. Much better. It just makes the black and the gold pop a little more and does bring a little more life to this display. So in my intro, I had mentioned that I wanted to do something with this sort of empty corner here, and I'm really pleased with how it turned out. What I did was I took this glass tall vase, placed these really beautiful orange and black sticks inside. I found these at Dollarama for $2.50 per set of 2 or 3 sticks. I think that was a fabulous find. I'm very happy. And I love the height of it. I think it's perfect. And this picture here, I continue to struggle with whether I should put this up on my wall on this empty space here. But while I decide, I will just keep it on the floor right next to the vase. And I think it fills in the space really beautifully. And I did decide to go ahead and put this really cute orange candle holder on my display here. Really cute. I realized I don't have black ribbon, so I think this week I will go out, buy some black ribbon, and I'll tie a nice black bow right onto that glass candle holder that I just put in place. So I'm absolutely thrilled with the way it's come out so far. I think that although it's quite whimsical, I believe it has sort of a classy look to it, and that's really what I'm after this Halloween. Definitely has a Mardi Gras vibe and a little touch of MacKenzie-Childs Inspired. So please let me know what you think of my Halloween decorating so far. There's still a lot more to come. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will enjoy the entire series. I'm certainly looking forward to it. And I hope you do watch the playlist that is part of this collaboration that I'm joining today. And I hope you will look at everyone's creation. Thank you everyone so much for visiting today.